In this video, we're going to review the email program. You access the email program by clicking on the email program link in the top menu bar. The default email homepage shows a list of emails that you have previously sent. For each email that's been sent, there's a number for the total sent, total opened, and total clicked. On the left-hand menu, you can select Email Sent, Email List, or create a new email. Let's click on Email List to reveal all the emails that you have created. For each of these emails, you can select Run, Modify, Preview, or Delete. So let's create a new email by clicking on the left panel, Create a New Email. You have the option of creating a text-based email or a HTML email. Today we're going to review creating a text email. These are the fields that are associated with a text-based email. They include the date created, the email name, the subject, the copy, a tagline, a link to the website, and the sender email. The only fields that are actually required in this first step are the email name, the subject, which appears in the subject line, and the body copy for your email. The sender email is a drop-down window that includes all the names of the individuals who have administrative permissions. You can either select yourself or any of these other names, or a default name. So, after you populate all the required fields, you would simply click on Create this email. Once your initial email is created, the return page shows some additional fields. These are optional fields, but they may be required from time to time. The Exclude Event field would be used if you were excluding registrants who had already purchased tickets or had registered for a selected event. We wouldn't need to email them again. The Attachment field would be used if you wanted to include an attachment, such as a document, with your email. To include an attachment, you would simply click Browse, locate the file on your computer, click it, and then you would see that it has been added to your email. Now you're ready to execute your email, so to do so, click Execute Email. On the next page, the text of your email is previewed, and you are prompted to select your target list. If this is the first execution of this email, it is highly recommended that you first send the email to yourself, just to check that it's correct. Once you have made a selection of your target list, then click Send Email to this list. After executing your email, you are returned to the Email List homepage. Note that your email is not displayed here because it was a test email only sent to one individual. To review that email, click on Show Individual Emails. This page shows all the emails that have been sent to one recipient. They're usually yourself. As you can see, it shows the name of the email, who it was sent to, and of course, the number sent, the number opened, and the number clicked. If you send a lot of emails and you're testing them to yourself, they'll accumulate on this page. You can delete all these test emails by clicking the link on the left panel, Delete Test Emails. Now let's return to our email program and retrieve the email that we had just sent. And here is that email, which is addressed to the first name of the registrant, the body copy, and the signature, which you defined when you created the email. That includes a name and the email, which is associated with the defined sender. Note that this email, as do all text-based emails, include a link back to your website. In this case, it's the default link, Visit Our Website, which when clicked, returns the visitor to your homepage. Just below your defined website link are 3 hard-coded links. They include Forward to a Friend, Remove from Email List, and Update your registration with us. Should the email recipient click on Forward to a Friend, they will be redirected to a page on your website where they can resend this email to the person of their choice. Should the recipient click on Remove from Mailing List, they will be redirected to a page where they can request that their email be removed from our registration database. And if they click on the link Update your registration with us, they will be redirected to a page on your website where they can review and update their registration information. You will also note that this and every other email sent from your website includes an image tag. When this image is displayed in the body of an email, it defines this email as being opened by this recipient. When you return to this email on your admin, you will indeed see that this email has been opened. For a list of those individuals who have opened your email, click on Details. This detail page shows a list of individuals who have opened and/or clicked your email. A click record indicates that the individual has clicked on one of the links embedded in your email. If this was a test email and you're satisfied with the way the email looks after you've sent it to yourself, now we're ready to send it to your intended target list. So let's go back to the default email page and click Edit on our selected email. Open the Target List drop-down box and select either a defined sublist or Select All. In this case, we'll click Select All. Now we're starting the sequence that will send out multiple emails. The program automatically sends emails in intervals so as to not overload the server. On this first page, we confirm the email count, the email interval, the total iterations, the start time, and the wait time before intervals. To begin the email sequence, click on Start Email Interval. Once the interval process begins, do not close the website. Let this page complete. It will cycle through all the necessary intervals until all your emails have been sent. When that process is complete, you'll be automatically returned to the email list homepage. You have completed the email process. As you return to this page over time, you will see that the number of emails opened and clicked increases over time. To see a list of those individuals who have opened or clicked your email, click on Details. As before, the detail page shows a list of all those individuals who have opened and/or clicked your email. This concludes my review of the email program.